Thousands took part in the mass rally that was organized by the Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity, COCOMI, today. The mass rally, which was organized with the aim to protect Manipur's integrity, started from Thao Ground in Thangmaiban and traverses through Nagamapal, Khwaranban Ima Kaithel before finally culminating at Kumal Lampak Stadium. People from all walks of life, including students, Maidapaibi members and also Kashamthong MLA Nishikanta Sapam, Wangkai MLA Thangjam Arun Kumar attended the rally. People chanted slogans to implement NRC in Manipur, to abrogate suspension of operation with Kuki militant groups and also against partisanship by centre. They also expressed their strong opposition to the demand of separate administration by Kuki community and also against combing operations and arrest of village volunteers. People also demanded India to stop its attempt to exterminate indigenous communities and to end the divide and rule policy. Speaking on the sidelines, MLA Nishikanta said he attended the rally to show support for the people as he is a Manipuri first. He added that the people of Manipur will never compromise on the integrity of state and they will stand against any attempt to divide the state. Nishikanta further maintained that people were compelled to fend for themselves as government failed to do their duties of protecting the people. He also added that the people are of the opinion that combing operations are being conducted only at daily areas while hinting on biased nature of centre when recovering weapons. On the other hand, a coordinator of COCOMI, T.H. Somendro, said the rally was held to protect the integrity of Manipur and to stop the government of India from dividing Manipur.
Myanmar underground bumi Manipur base of the game Amalega Manipur government India government very good on the Torio Makoina very Manipur other national highways in the route of the Nishinga around the Pina Taurina Masi put up the name of the name Adu Madapta Makoina appropriately Paira Tingai Singa Obi Plantation Taraga International Market Paisaka Natunda Nomi Apollo Mission Paragin Hapase, but it could have lived with the Canada, Wapon Agony, Kaibale Pagani, Manipuriana, I was it Pugina, whatever singer, Manupuna, Mutapahe, I put you late about, I put you with Tamuya, I would say, the Compagate, illegal licensing, Tapuman about NRC, put up the Sana Hanaba, Santa Alabi, Lega, and in the Tabuk with the local Highway. Ayuma, Atuna, Sana Handravi, Madu Indian policy, Amaki Makada, Habak, Pump and locally.
Indiana amadi China haibidi makhoi control to ngamnai hot na matam da Manipur sida battlefield oil ba se masi thomoi sengna Manipur gi yelomi ma oina yabang ngamoi tongan lup singbu sizin da kanda akoi da proxy wara ma chatai ba se masi India gi national security na aso mateng ama panga bra haibidi singna ba su lai gari gi haiba kanda India gi national security da adum na militant singna khut thara pa matam da asi na yaugre gi matam da Indian national security na makhoi retaliate chap chaba masi bo tawde masi na di makhoi gi mi amani sizaraga su Manipur anti ori kalup singa do makhoi gi marup oi sakmin ri bra haiba do masi makhoi tawi ba thabak singa sina adu mai lara akoi da ito bo na khangna bo pamni Manipur gi pa mai ko gi ke kayamana paun gi jaga singa masi Manipur territorial integrity nga kabiya de ta phu bi da SDO SDC khamala ngasi Manipur gi asoba dai ta lewa da leidi asoba istaga kaya da Manipur gi singa phu khudi makka Manipur mai to ngala sa sau ya ga lai ngasi sau ya la ka do thengkang khuding mo tung da so dum sau ya ga ni Manipur mai pangan ai khoi ila gi satam ma se kanam da sugai bu loi ai khoi gi apun da collective ba responsibility se lawin da kan da ai gi executive bo khalon bo khabuk ni si hai ba do ai khamjage
Community ba Manipur kan Khongchat se da khoi khawai mi gi ba se gi achau ma ken ma ga le ma khoi volunteer mayam ma saru ya gai Maram di kari gina haipa kanda ngasi ko community ba Manipur kan Khongchat ai ba se asli mate Manipur de le ba dukung kuding magna hai ba na yaw ga ba da ba khoi gi sai ni sing ani hen na wari le ba idam da masik kan na ba gi yamna achau ba du le ba Khongchat mani maram se khoi thoi ni gi ma ke gi so achau ba khoi gi miyam ma ga le na khoi saru la jam gi ta ꯑꯩ ꯂꯥꯛꯆꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯌꯥꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯇꯒꯤ ꯂꯦꯡꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯀ꯭ꯂꯕꯀꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯩꯔꯥ ꯄꯥꯏꯕꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯤꯚꯤꯜ ꯁꯣꯁꯥꯏꯇꯤ ꯑꯣꯔꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖꯦꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯏꯆꯤꯟ ꯏꯅꯥꯎ ꯃꯔꯨꯞ ꯃꯄꯥꯡ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯇꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯗꯅ ꯁꯤꯟꯗꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯗꯥꯏꯇ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯁꯤꯟꯕꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯔꯨꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯕꯨꯔꯩꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯈ꯭ꯋꯥꯏ ꯃꯦꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩꯗꯒꯤ ꯍꯟꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯐꯣꯡꯗꯣꯛꯆꯔꯤ
ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯈꯤꯇꯪ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯏꯔꯝꯗꯝ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯗꯅꯕꯒꯤꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯂꯤꯕ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯅꯥꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯗꯕ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯗ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯦ ꯈꯔꯗ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯁꯨ ꯑꯄꯨꯟꯕ ꯁꯛꯇꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯒꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯈꯤꯇꯪꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯁꯦ ꯀꯟꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜꯗꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯖꯕꯅꯦ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤ ꯐꯤꯕꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯆꯞ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯂꯤꯡꯖꯦꯜ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯨꯟꯁꯤꯜꯂꯒ ꯃꯥꯟꯅꯅ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯔꯥꯡ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯃꯤꯟꯅꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯂꯧꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯊꯧꯗꯥꯡꯁꯦ ꯄꯨꯛꯆꯦꯜ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯆꯨꯝ ꯑꯔꯥꯟ ꯐꯖꯅ ꯊꯤꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯊꯃꯣꯏ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛ ꯑꯆꯨꯝꯕ ꯋꯥꯌꯦꯜꯗꯣ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯍꯟꯅꯤꯡꯉꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯍꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯂꯥꯟ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯀꯨꯀꯤꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯂꯥꯟꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯩꯇꯩ ꯈꯛꯇꯪꯗ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯇꯥꯍꯜꯂꯦ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯈꯪꯁꯤꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯎꯁꯤꯟꯅꯗꯕ ꯁꯥꯔ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯇꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯦꯟꯖꯗꯦ
ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯣꯗꯤ ꯁꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯑꯃꯤꯠ ꯁꯥꯍꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯁꯤꯜꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤꯡꯗꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯅ ꯗꯤꯜꯂꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯆꯠꯂꯤꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯁꯤꯅ ꯀꯥꯟꯅꯕ ꯈꯔ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯀꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯇꯪꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯇꯥꯗꯅ ꯁꯣꯛ 2008ꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯔꯤꯛ 3ꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯊꯥ 9 ꯁꯨꯔ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯂꯥꯟꯖꯤꯟꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤ 250 ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤ 30 ꯑꯃꯅ ꯊꯤꯕ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯈꯤꯗꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯐꯥꯎꯕꯁꯤꯗꯩꯗ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯟꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯅ ꯀꯔꯤꯃꯠꯇ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯂꯧꯈꯠꯄꯤꯔꯛꯇꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯄꯥꯔꯂꯤꯌꯥꯃꯦꯟꯇ ꯄꯨꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯅꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯉꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯈꯣꯡꯆꯠ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯈꯨꯔꯥꯏ ꯄꯅꯥꯅ ꯁꯧꯒꯠꯆꯕꯅꯤ